All right, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's edition, we are going to talk about new mining application called Sprout Network. Sprout Network is a new project which we are currently mining. So if you have not started mining this particular project, do well to check on the description of the video, and once you check on it, you'll definitely see a link that will take you to this particular application, update it through Play Store. After that, then you now make use of this as an invitation code. This is what you're going to make use of as an invitation code. Then after that, you start mining right away. And the good thing about this particular project is that the mining rate is still high. It's still on the high side. And if you want to boost your mining speed to be fast within 24 hours, you can click on this boost section. Once you click on it, it will just sound that way. After a few seconds, then it will be highlighted again 5 times. That is when how you need to boost it. Then it will mine faster. As you can see, it will be reading faster. So that is how it is. And as you can see, it has ended. You click on it again. Yeah. So that is how it is. Then it will keep on mining faster. And also remember that the mining rate will stay on the higher side on the mining rate, because the more the community grows is the more they have what they call halving. Halving is a process where the mining rate decreases as much as the community keep growing, the mining rate will keep decreasing. So that is one thing about halving. So currently we are at 100k users. So you too do well to participate to be among of the 100k users. As you can see, this is what we are mining as of currently. It's a few weeks ago, it was on 4 sprites per hour. After a few weeks, it will became 2 sprites per hour. So currently we are at 1 sprite per hour. So that is how it is. And if you want to get the necessary information concerning the project, you can go ahead and check on this particular project. As you can see, this particular project is being implemented on August 2025. As you can see, it's a new project. So in a August 2025, where they have what they called right now pioneers in earning at 4 sprites, as you can see. So currently we are at what? At 1 sprite by hour. It means that from that 25th of August till now, as you can see, 5th of August, important bags notice. As you can see, we have identified the temporal bags of version. So if you update your application, it means you'll be on the new version, and the new version means you have been on the new era of mining rate, which is 1 sprite by hour. If time goes on, if comments grow more, it will reduce more. So start as early as now. And another thing you need to take note of is your referral. You can refer as many as you can so that you'll be among the leaderboard. As you can see, we have leaderboard, we have team member, you have settings. So that's what you need to understand concerning this particular project. Currently, this particular project is a new application. So sometimes if you visit the application, it may give you some sign, either timeout or something like that, either network fail. It means that either the application is under maintenance or you need to update it. So you need to go to your Play Store and update the application, then it will start functioning. If it requires you to delete it and install it again, then you can as well do so. And by doing so, you need to log in back and you start mining. So that is one thing about this particular project. So participate as early as now so that you'll be among the first users in this particular application. And remember that upon registering your accounts, make sure you make use of your real name, because there will be something called KYC. So KYC is a process of which the owner they identify the real owner of the account to avoid creating multiple accounts. So that is why KYC is very, very important. So make sure you make use of your real name that is on your documents, so upon registering. So if you love what we do in this particular channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that each time we update an information like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So that is all I have for you for today. Have a nice day and always be on the safe side, because once you're on the safe side, you definitely know the right step to take. So have a nice day and be blessed. Bye. Subscribe as early as now. Bye.